Hi, this is not going to be a long or a proper live stream. I just got done with a bike ride and I'm going to show you guys how to make some smoothies real quick. This is more for the YouTube archive than anything else. As you can see, I haven't even fired up the stove cam. So what we're going to start with is a blender. Now, for my smoothies, I like a little protein powder. This is a soy double chocolate girly protein powder, but it's still delicious and good stuff. Now, and when I say girly, that's not actually to disparage female athletes. It literally is, you know, some sort of thing that has like athlete women on the front of it. So, but I picked it up because it's tasty and cheap. And protein's protein. I've got some plums and some nectarines cut up and frozen here. We've got some strawberries. We have regular milk. We have soy milk. Heck, we even got goat milk. Take your pick. It doesn't matter what you put in. Now, what we do is we start with our blender. Then we're going to add some of these beautiful strawberries. Always want to inspect them and make sure that they've got some, you know, good firmness to them. We don't want any bad spots. We certainly don't want any mold on them. And if you suspect anything that shouldn't be, just be sure to wash them off real good before you throw them in. Because you don't want to be eating or drinking any mold. There we go. That's enough. Now, we'll throw in some of our other frozen fruit. Plums, nectarines, peaches, they're all good. All right. Protein powder. There we go. That's the stuff. Let's add a little of each. A little soy milk. A little goat milk. Oh, I haven't opened the cow milk. There we go. A little cow milk. Let's put the whole farm in there. And last but not least, where's our yogurt? There we go, some yogurt. All right. Turn this bad boy on and hit puree. There you have it, a smoothie.